This conference will now be recorded.
So yesterday we have started about this HDFS comments. Let me summarize what are the comments we discussed. HDFS comments we have started, right? And we discussed some couple of comments, right? Hadoop fs-ls slash it will list out all the directories present inside of HDFS. It will list out all the directories present inside of HDFS. So what are the directories in which we will have? For suppose within the HDFS, if we are having some 10 directories. So just if you want to know what are the names of the each and every directory, or if you want to know a particular directory name, so then you can go with this command. So once if you type this command within the Linux terminal, so it is going to list out all the directories that are present inside of HDFS. Okay. And next thing we discussed about Hadoop FS hyphen ls R. I think we did not export this command. Still, we will discuss now at this turn today. So nothing but it will list out all the directories, including subdirectories as well. Including subdirectories as well. So it will list out all the directories, including subdirectories as well. So for suppose we're having yesterday we have created a directory name as a Vishnu. So within Vishnu, if we're having some couple of subdirectories. So now if you want to list out all these directories as well, we need to go with LSR. So we'll go with practically LSR and LS so that you're going to get some awareness. What is the exact difference between LS and LSR? Okay.
This conference will now be recorded.
And then we discussed about Hadoop FS. What is the command we discussed after that? I think I've input. I think Hadoop FS, Hadoop FS I've input. So what is importance here? So it will store a file from local file system to HDFS. Okay, if you want to store a particular file from local file system to HDFS, so we need to go for this command Hadoop FS put. Okay. So if you want to store in multiple files, so yesterday I think here if you're going with this command, so we have executed like this Hadoop fs -put, and we have created a file right by using gedit command. So that is home Hadoop Apache slash second underscore file dot txt. So in which directory you want to store here? Let's assume some Vishnu like this. Okay. Same way now if you want to store some multiple files, right? We have created two more files. I think second underscore file 1.txt, second underscore file 2.txt, right? So now if you want to copy multiple files, okay, from local file system to HDFS. So what is the thing which I discussed yesterday? Hadoop fs hyphen put slash home Hadoop Apache slash second underscore file 1.txt, and one more thing is home Hadoop Apache slash second underscore file 2.txt slash Vishnu. Okay, finally within the Vishnu, totally we're having three files. One is second underscore file .txt, second underscore file 1.txt, and second underscore file 2.txt. And next we discussed one more thing is if we want to display, if you want to display a file content that is inside of HDFS. What is the command here? Hadoop fs hyphen cat slash Vishnu second underscore file dot txt, right? So nothing but once you execute this command Hadoop space fs space hyphen cat space slash Vishnu slash second underscore file dot txt. So whatever the content in which you're having in second underscore file dot txt, the same content just it is going to display in our Linux terminal. Okay, so I think till up to here we have discussed yesterday. So what are the commands which I mentioned? Still we have discussed on yesterday. Let's start my video. So all of you executed. All of you executed these commands. Okay. So try to open the terminal and try to start the Hadoop. First of all of you. So how can you start the Hadoop? Start -all dot sh. So now type GPS. Just we are cross checking. I mean each and every Hadoop class let me running or not. So yes, it is running. So go to this Apache Hadoop Web UI. So what is the port? Nothing but localhost 50070. So go to details and browse the file system. And here need to provide the slash. So once if you provide the slash and click on go, otherwise if you provide the slash, it will display all the directories within the HDFS. Okay, just once you provide the slash, so it will list out all the directories, not a single directory, all the directories within the HDFS. And if you observe the within the Vishnu, I mean yesterday after executing this command, so total number of files within this Vishnu directory is 3, right? And even we have executed cat command or fs, sorry, hyphen cat. After that, what I have executed slash Vishnu slash second underscore file dot txt. See here, this is the same content in which I have in our second underscore file dot txt. Okay. So till now we discussed on yesterday. So now next one is I think this is fifth or sixth command. I think fifth. So if we want to copy a file inside of HDFS. So what are the directories we're having? Two directories. One is first and Vishnu, right? So if you want to copy a file inside of HDFS, so what is the command here? Generally we're having cp, as I mentioned diagram, Hadoop fs-cp. Something I want to copy Vishnu second underscore file dot txt to first. Okay, so here we're having two things. One is cp and one more thing is rm, nothing but remove, right? So if you observe within the cp, we're having two directories. One is Vishnu and one more thing is first, right? So now within the Vishnu, what are the files we're having? We're having second underscore file. I'm not mentioning txt, okay? Second underscore file one, and one more thing is second underscore file two. So like this we're having, right? So now after executing this command, what is going to happen? So this second underscore file dot txt, it will be copied in inside of first directory. So now if you go with the rm, same here, slash Vishnu, what is the files we're having? Not rm here, sorry. Rm is going to remove here instead of rm, we are having mb. Second underscore file dot txt, second underscore file one dot txt, second underscore file two dot txt. So like this we're having, right? So now here first, okay. So once you execute some Hadoop space fs space some mb like this, I mean if I'm executing some mb command, let us assume execute some mb command. So now here we're having some second underscore file dot txt or maybe some second underscore file one dot txt. So once if I execute this move command, so this second underscore file one dot, sorry, txt, it will be available only in first directory. Means once we execute the move command, this file it will not, this file it will not present in Vishnu directory, it will move in first directory. But if you observe with cp, so whatever the file which you want to copy in first directory from Vishnu, so the same file it will present in Vishnu and as well as the first directory. But if you're going with the move command, so in source, what are the file which you want to move from source to destination, that file it will not be available in source, I mean here Vishnu. Within the Vishnu we don't have second underscore file one dot txt once if you execute the move command. Okay, so let us go with these commands. So first of all, Hadoop fs-cp slash Vishnu slash second underscore file dot txt. What is the destination directory? First, right? Here we're having second underscore file.txt. Now try to implement mv command hadoop fs-mb. Okay, Vishnu slash second underscore file one dot txt slash first. Okay, so just I'm trying to execute mv command. So once if you execute this mv command, the second underscore file one dot txt, it should not be present in source. Just it will move the complete file. What are the file name which I mentioned here? So into first directory, I mean destination. Click on enter. Okay, so now first go to Vishnu. Here we don't have second underscore file one dot txt. Go to first. Here we're having second underscore file one dot txt. But if you observe second underscore file dot txt, it is present in, I mean, it is all present in first directory, right? It will present in Vishnu as well. Okay. So is these two comments are fine for you, all of you? Is it fine? Okay. So if we want to move a particular file from source to destination. So here source is slash Vishnu, destination is slash first. Okay, if you want to move a particular file from source to destination, so then what is the command? Hadoop fs-mv slash Vishnu slash second underscore file one dot txt. Right? What is the destination directory? First. Okay, this is nothing but mv command. Okay, so now if you go with the current structure, what is the current structure we're having? I mean within the HDFS, if you remember. We're having two directories first of all. One is Vishnu and one more thing is first. So within the Vishnu, what are the files we're having? Second underscore file dot txt and second underscore file 2 dot txt. I think these are the two files we're having. Yes, file and file 2. File and file 2. So within the first, we're having, what are the files here? Second underscore file 1 dot txt and I think second underscore file dot txt. second file and second file one, right? Okay. So now here we are having two more comments, rm and rmr, rm and rmr. Hadoop fs rm slash Vishnu. And using this command, so go to terminal, Hadoop fs rm slash Vishnu. Like this I given. Click on enter. See here, what we are getting here? Vishnu is a directory, and if you observe this UI, Vishnu is not removed. See here, Vishnu is not removed. So it is simply saying Vishnu is a directory. So now same command, right? If you are creating here Hadoop fs rmr slash Vishnu. Same command. I mean, just I am executing rmr in for Vishnu directory. So that is Hadoop fs rmr slash Vishnu. So what happened? Deprecated. Please use rm-r. Let us use. Till it is not deleted. It is not recognizing because simply giving rm space -r. Still we are not getting any deprecated message. But why it is not deleting? Okay, so here it may be some new versions, right? Because we are going with the latest Linux OS that maybe they have upgraded in the near future. So I will check it once again. Again, I will update you. But here difference is, I mean, Hadoop space fs hyphen rm and Hadoop space fs space hyphen rmr. So here only difference is, so when we need to go with rmr is, so just if you want to remove a particular file. Okay, so now within the Vishnu we're having second underscore file dot txt, right? So now if you want to remove a particular directory, then we need to go with rm. Okay, so when we need to go for RMR, nothing but remove recursively means, so if you want to delete a particular directory, so then we need to go for RMR. So RM is not used to delete a particular subdirectories, because within the Vishnu we're having some two text files, right? So second underscore file.txt and second underscore file2.txt. So it will not remove these files if you're going with the RM. Just if you want to remove a particular file within a directory or within a subdirectory, then we need to go for RM. If you want to remove a complete directory means, because within a directory we're having some couple of text files, couple of subdirectories as well. These all data will be gone. Complete directory itself is going to remove. If you want to remove a complete directory, then we need to go for RMR. If you want to remove a particular file, so then we need to go for RM. Okay. So now if you're going with the RM, so Hadoop fs rm slash Vishnu slash second underscore file dot txt, right? What happened? This table is not removing. Anybody is having knowledge on this? Why it is not removing? Anybody is having idea? Suresh, Yatin, Rama Krishna, Rakesh, Abdul, Amit. Nobody is having idea. Use RMFR. RMFR is for a particular file. You mean to say, Amit? Suresh is saying try with hyphen F. So hyphen F means what is exactly? Suresh? I mean, instead of RM, you mean hyphen F? Let me check it. Hyphen RM. One Amit is saying RMFR, I mean RMFR. Suresh is saying RMF. Okay. Check it. This is also unknown command. RMFR. Amit. Right. This is also unknown command. RM, RMFR. Right. No, first of all, it is not recognizing the command. Forget about this second underscore file.txt. It is not recognizing this command, right? Command itself not there. Non command. Simple say. Suresh is saying Hadoop fs hyphen rm hyphen f hyphen rm hyphen f. Still it is not removed, right? We are pointing this one. No, still it is not removed. Okay, let me check it from my end. Okay, so maybe they have changed it with, I mean, one we have gone with the latest Linux operating system. So that may be the change. Or let me check it from my end. Okay, so I will update you on tomorrow.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, for you it is working. I mean, you're going with VMware, or you're going with, I mean, how you're going? I'm trying in Windows. Okay, you're going with the Windows operating system. I mean, command prompt, you mean to say, right? Okay, command prompt is different and Linux is different, right? Command prompt, because OS itself is different. Okay, let me check it from my end. Okay, no issues on that. So save it. So now next one. Let's see, command is deleted. Okay. Okay, let me check it from my end. Okay. I'll provide you complete details on tomorrow. So next one. So now I want to copy a particular file from STFS to local file system. Okay, now I want to copy particular file from STFS to local file system. So before that, so just try to create a directory within the terminal. So we need to create a directory with name as temp, that is in Linux terminal, that is nothing but mkdir temp. Okay, so this command will to execute Linux terminal, that is the first thing. And after that, Hadoop fs, what is the command here? Get. So what I want to get it, so within the Vishnu we're having second underscore file dot txt. So we need to get one in temp. So try to create one directory first of all. So mkdir temp. Sorry. So if you observe, see, it is created temp. Okay. So after that, Hadoop fs -get slash Vishnu slash second underscore file dot txt slash permission denied. Okay, so now if you observe, within the temp we're having second underscore file dot txt. So here why it is permission denied is nothing but whenever if you're providing this slash, right, so it will take it as a nothing but directory. I mean within the temp, so it need to have some more files or a subdirectories. But whenever while creating this directory, it is an empty directory. It does not have any files or subdirectories or subfolders. So that is the reason we're getting this type of permission denied. But if I remove this slash, so now within the temp, so this file is going to store now. Nothing but second underscore file.txt. Okay, so now if I want to store some more files, or otherwise instead of some more files, maybe we can move it to one more file. uh, I think we're having second underscore file 1.txt or not. I think it is not there. We are moved. So here now if you observe second underscore file2.txt. Okay, so if you observe second underscore file.txt, it is having text as I'm going to Hyderabad. I want to learn new technologies, right? Now second underscore file2.txt. I'm going to Hyderabad. So this is the content what we're having in both of these files, right? Or so these two files are present in which directory? Nothing but Vishnu, right? So within the Vishnu directory, these two files were having second underscore file.txt, second underscore file2.txt. So whatever the content in which it is present in both files, the same content I want to get in a single file. Then how can we do it? So that is by using merge command. Hadoop fs get merge slash Vishnu temp slash hello.txt. I mean within this hello.txt, whatever the files in which you're having in Vishnu directory, currently we're having two files. That two files content, it will merge it in a single file, hello.txt. Try to execute it. So here we're having hello.txt open. So if you observe the two files content, it will be merged in a single file, right? That is nothing but a get merge command. Or for suppose if I'm deleting this all these files, delete folder is empty. Sorry. See here. Now within this hello.txt, whatever the uh, files which is present in Vishnu, so these two files content it will be merged in this respective file. That's it. Okay. So what is the one more thing we're having? Get merge. So one more command. It will merge couple of file contents into a single file. It will match couple of file contents. Okay, couple of file contents into a single file content. We can mention as a content, not a file, single file content. Okay, so that is nothing but Hadoop fs get merge get match slash Vishnu and temp. What is the file name you want? Give me give that respective file. I mean within this hello.txt, whatever the files content which is present in Vishnu directory, currently we are having two files content. These two file contents will be merged and it will be presented in hello.txt. So here file name you can give any name, whatever the name you want. Okay. So is this clear, all of you? This command is clear. Get merge. Get merge and get. Is it fine? Okay, fine.